The alphabet pictures and letter cards are introduced in 3 steps: introduction, practice, performance. The introduction, you trace the letter and say the sound. The practice, you ask your child to show you the sound. The performance, you ask your child, what sound is this? The first 2 letters in the sequence are A and M, so we'll go through the 3 steps with these 2 sounds. Trace the letter and say the sound. A. Invite your child to do the same. A. M. Your child does the same. M. Show me A. Your child points to A. Show me M. Your child points to M. What sound is this? Your child says A. What sound is this? Your child says M. I'm going to now reinforce with the picture cards. Apple, mouse. Apple begins with the sound A. Can you put A under the apple? Your child puts the letter card under the picture card. Mouse begins with M. Can you put M under the mouse? Your child puts the letter card under the picture card. A for apple, M for mouse. Practice with these 2 sounds many times. When your child is confident with them, you can go on to the next 2 sounds in the sequence. The next 2 sounds are S and O. So you go through the 3 steps again. S. Your child traces and says the sound. S. O. Your child traces and says the sound. O. Show me S. Your child points to S. Show me O. Your child points to O. What sound is this? Your child says S. What sound is this? Your child says O. And reinforce with the picture cards. Sun, octopus. Sun begins with the sound S. Can you put S under the sun? Octopus begins with the sound O. Can you put the O under the octopus? S for sun, O for octopus. Now your child has 4 sounds they can practice with, so you practice with them all together. A for apple. S for sun. M for mouse. O for octopus. When your child's comfortable with these 4 sounds, you can move on to the next sounds in the sequence. There are 2 sounds that are introduced in a different way. They are X, because it's the final sound. It's at the end of words like fox, box, 6. And Qu, because it's followed by a silent U. This letter doesn't make a sound. It says Qu. So we'll go through the 3 steps. X. Your child traces and says the sound X. Z. Your child traces and says the sound Z. Show me X. Your child points to X. Show me Z. Your child points to Z. What sound is this? Your child says X. What sound is this? Your child says Z. Reinforce with the picture cards. Fox, zebra. Fox ends with the sound X. Can you put the X under the fox? Zebra begins with the sound Z. Can you put Z under the zebra? X is at the end of fox. Z for zebra. 3 steps are the same. Yeah. Invite your child to trace and say the sound. Yeah. Qua. Invite your child to trace and say the sound. Qua. Show me ya. Your child points to ya. Show me qua. Your child points to qua. What sound is this? Your child says ya. What sound is this? Your child says qua. You reinforce with the picture cards. Yo-yo, queen. Yo-yo begins with the sound ya. Can you put ya under the yo-yo? Queen begins with the sound qua. Can you put qua under the queen? Qua is a different letter. It's followed by a silent U. Ya for yo-yo, qua for queen.